Hi, this is Jay Jenkins with Pearson Education. In this video, I will show you how you will copy a course from your previous terms. So the first thing you'll need to do is locate the course, which will be most likely under the Inactive tab. If you click the Inactive tab, all of your previous courses will show up. Choose the one you want to copy and go to the Details area of the course, which is the sprocket icon located down here on the left. Once on this screen, over on the right, you'll see Copy this course. Click Copy the course and fill out the information required, which is the type of course you want, the name, and the course dates, and then click Create Course. Once you've done this, on your main page, you'll notice a new course has been created. It will be grayed out until it is live. Once it goes live, it will be blue like it is right now. And then this course has the exact same settings of the previous course from the previous term. I hope this is helpful and have a great day.